Hello, everyone. Excited to share some more functionality around Mason, our AI bot built into Ressio to help with questions about your project. Mason's capabilities stretch very far in the fact that should we be looking at creating some punch list items, we can actually ask Mason, can you please provide me a standard kitchen sink install punch list? What Mason will then do is actually search the web to provide you a step-by-step install checklist that you could utilize to then further create a punch list to add into your project to then have assigned out to a team member. Mason then has the capabilities to adjust as necessary once those pieces of information are sent to you for review. Please let us know if you have any questions on how to further utilize Mason to make your experience with Ressio that much better. Thanks for stopping by.